Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily dose of everything cryptocurrency. Today, we are going to look at a fascinating development in the financial markets. The surging disparity between gold and Bitcoin. It seems that gold, the old guard of value storage, is making a comeback. Let's dive in. For years, Bitcoin has been hailed as digital gold. It shares many characteristics with the precious metal, such as scarcity and a degree of resistance to inflation. However, in recent times, we've seen a notable shift in market dynamics. Gold is regaining strength, challenging Bitcoin's reign in the financial world. The surge in gold's value isn't just a random market fluctuation. There are concrete reasons behind this resurgence. With the ongoing uncertainties in the global economy, investors are increasingly leaning towards more traditional and stable stores of value. Gold, with its thousands of years of history, has a proven track record that is hard to beat. Plus, central banks around the world are adding more gold to their reserves, further driving up demand and the price. This renewed interest in gold is a clear testament to its enduring value and appeal. It has seen empires rise and fall, currencies come and go, and it has always remained a steady and reliable asset. As we navigate the uncertain waters of today's economic climate, gold seems to be mounting a resurgence, and it's worth taking a closer look. The primary driving force behind gold's recent comeback is the level of global economic instability. It's no secret that we're living in uncertain times, and in such times, investors tend to gravitate towards what they know and trust. Gold, with its proven track record of stability, is often seen as a safe harbor in the stormy seas of economic turbulence. With the fluctuations in the stock markets, rising inflation rates in many economies, and the lingering effects of the pandemic on global finances, it's understandable why investors are seeking out safer options. Gold offers a sense of security that is hard to replicate with newer, more volatile assets. Its value doesn't hinge on a company's performance, new technological developments, or shifts in consumer trends, and that makes it a less risky proposition for many investors. Moreover, it's not just individual investors who are turning back to gold. Central banks across the globe are bolstering their reserves by adding substantial amounts of the precious metal to their vaults. This is a significant trend, as central banks are key players in the financial world, and their actions often signal broader market movements. However, the resurgence of gold is not just about its stability and enduring value. There's also an emotional aspect at play. Gold is tangible, it's something you can hold in your hand, and that gives a lot of people a sense of comfort. In a world where digital assets and virtual currencies are becoming the norm, the physicality of gold is a unique advantage that appeals to a certain demographic of investors. The resurgence of gold in today's economy is driven by a complex interplay of factors: economic instability, increased demand from central banks, and the emotional appeal of a physical asset. As we continue to monitor these trends, one thing is clear. Gold, the age-old store of value, is reclaiming its strength in the financial markets. On the other side of the coin, Bitcoin, while still a powerhouse in the world of cryptocurrencies, has been facing its own set of challenges. Regulatory pressures, environmental concerns over mining practices, and inherent volatility have all contributed to a certain level of investor apprehension. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that Bitcoin remains a key player. Its potential for high returns continues to attract a significant chunk of investors. However, the current climate has certainly provided an opportunity for gold to close the gap. While gold is making a comeback, Bitcoin, the trailblazer of the cryptocurrency world, has been navigating through some choppy waters. Let's dig deeper into the challenges that Bitcoin is currently facing, which have become particularly prominent in recent times. One of the most significant hurdles for Bitcoin has been regulatory pressure. Governments around the world are grappling with how to deal with cryptocurrencies. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin, while being one of its key attractions, also poses challenges for regulators. There have been moves to introduce more stringent regulations, with concerns ranging from tax evasion and money laundering to consumer protection. For instance, some countries are implementing KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, regulations for cryptocurrency transactions. While these regulations are intended to prevent illicit activities, they also introduce an additional layer of complexity for everyday users, and can limit the accessibility and ease of use that have been one of Bitcoin's main selling points. Then there's the issue of environmental impact. Bitcoin mining, the process that adds new transactions to the blockchain and introduces new Bitcoins into the system, requires a significant amount of energy. This has led to criticism about Bitcoin's carbon footprint. especially in a world increasingly conscious of climate change. Initiatives for more sustainable mining are underway, but they're not without their own set of challenges. Another challenge lies in the competition within the crypto space itself. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies in existence today, each offering unique features and benefits. While Bitcoin has the advantage of being the first and most well-known, newer cryptocurrencies are giving it a run for its money. Offering advanced features, improved security, or more efficient transaction processing. In conclusion, the recent surge in gold's value and the challenges faced by Bitcoin have led to a notable disparity between the two. However, this should not be seen as a binary battle between old and new. Instead, it serves as a reminder of the importance of diversification in investment portfolios. Whether you're a die-hard Bitcoin enthusiast, a traditional gold investor, or somewhere in between, the key is to stay informed and make decisions based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance. And that's where we come in. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Dorks for daily updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.